This is a multiple function GPS tracker designed for car motorcycle. So let's see what kind of function of this tracker. Here is SOS button, microphone for voice listening, remote controller, alarm speaker. This is a antenna for remote controller. So let's testing the remote controller function. Press one time, activate the alarm mode. Okay, good. Cancel the alarm mode. Okay, good. There is another feature for these two buttons. If you long press this button, long press. Okay, cut the engine. Long press unlock button to resume the engine. Okay, perfect. Thirdly, you can find the car if the thief hidden the motorcycle in basement or room. You press this button. So when the speaker sound, you can easily find your car. The last button, this is SOS alarm. If you press it, you can get the SOS alarm from the app.